Hey everyone, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released the first pre-release of 1.17. This snapshot introduced many new changes and advancements, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. To start off the snapshot, Mojang has loads of new advancements for the game. Whatever floats your goat has been added for floating in a boat with a goat, wax on for applying wax to a copper block, wax off for scraping wax off of a copper block, the cutest predator for catching an axolotl in a bucket, the healing power of friendship for teaming up with an axolotl and winning a fight, glow and behold for making a sign glow with a glowing ink sac, light as a rabbit for walking on powder snow with leather boots, surge protector for having a lightning strike a lightning rod near a villager without setting the area on fire, is it a bird for looking at a parrot through a spyglass? Is it a balloon for looking at a gas through a spyglass? And finally, is it a plane for looking at a dragon through a spyglass? These are all real fun advancements, and I'm sure that everybody's going to have a lot of fun hunting them in the new 1.17 snapshots. Additionally, candles have been re-added back into the creative inventory, and the crafting and dyeing recipes for candles are available in this pre-release. A bug was also found in previous versions where lightning candles have slight delays when showing their flame particles, but this bug has been fixed in this pre-release. And, as you can see, the candles now have a slightly different texture when lit. Glowing text on signs now has an outer glow as opposed to the inner glow that was shown in previous snapshots, and this new version makes text in dark colors more visible in dark areas. Holding down the spacebar now increases the scroll speed in the credits of the game. So if you've ever wanted to read through the end credits faster, this is a great way to do so. And finally, flowering azaleas can now be placed in flower pots, as you can see on the screen now. With the addition of new gameplay advancements came new advancement triggers for data packs. Started_riding, which is triggered when a player starts riding a vehicle, or when an entity starts riding a vehicle currently ridden by a player, lightning_strike, which is triggered when lightning finishes, and using_item, which is triggered for every tick of using items, such as crossbows, spyglasses, or fishing rods. Additionally, some predicates have been changed in this pre-release. The item field has now been expanded to items, block field has been expanded to blocks, and entity predicates can now detect what a block an entity is currently stepping on. And players now have a looking_at predicate, which detects when they look at another entity. The new performance metrics reporting screen has been added in this pre-release, and by pressing F3 and L, you can start recording for 10 seconds, capturing metrics like tick durations, used heap sizes, and other statistics. These will be saved in a zip file within your game files, and can be included in future bug reports to help developers solve and patch future bugs. There was also a bug in previous snapshots which allowed glow lichen to spawn in underground structures, such as mineshafts or strongholds, and geodes to spawn inside of icebergs. However, both of these bugs have been patched in this pre-release. And grass, flower, and ferns, in addition to trees, could sometimes generate on sand or gravel in previous snapshots. However, this bug has been fixed in this latest pre-release. Players who hold a crossbow in their offhand would have their main hand appear invisible in previous snapshots, but this bug has been patched this week. Additionally, absorption hearts did not show the wither heart effect and instead remained yellow in previous snapshots, but this visual bug has been patched today. And those are the main changes of the first 1.17 pre-release. I did not go over all of the bug fixes, as this video would be extremely long, but if you'd like to see every bug fixed, then the link to the snapshot article page will be in the description below. And if you enjoy, be sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our coverage of 1.17 when it gets released. And if you'd like to create a free Minecraft server so you and your friends can get all of the new advancements, then check out Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'm The Terrain, peace out.